Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I am still working on my scuba journal, and that videos, I've probably got 2 or 3 more videos to come from it. I have no idea. But I have had this stuff from Tuesday morning for quite some time, maybe 2 or 3 weeks now. And oh my God, look at my fingernails, guys. That's what happens when you're in the water too much. Um, but I needed to go ahead and do this haul so that I can get this stuff moved out of my work area so that I can finish working on some more of the scuba journal. And I've got several projects because I'm trying, guys, to get back into the hang of getting you the videos that you all love. So give me 1 second. All right, I am sorry about that. My daughter needs me to watch my grandson for a little while. So yay, y'all, you guys know that I love that, and that is just like better than crafting. Okay, so like I said, I need to get this stuff off of my desk. I need the space. I need it out from around my desk. So I need to get this video done so that I can continue working on my scuba journal. So this is just, it's a small Tuesday morning haul, but I was pretty excited about the stuff that I got. So let's just get right into it. So one of the things I picked up was this pack of Heidi Swap. It says it's pockets with inserts, and it says that it's 8 pieces. And so it looks like maybe 4 pockets and 4 journal cards. And I picked that up for $3.29. So that is a pretty good deal. And I am having an issue. Let me get, you guys might see me doing like this a lot. I went to the eye doctor today and they have changed my contacts, you know, because I was wearing contacts and glasses together. Well, they've tried me out on some multifocal contacts. I can actually read without my reading glasses, and I can't see as far off as I could, but I can read. So I'm like having to adjust to all that. So if you see me kind of doing like this, just know that I'm adjusting. And then this is a thing of the Simple Stories Bits and Pieces. It's the Full Bloom. And there's some of the little ephemera pieces that came with that. I thought it was just darling. Look at that. I love all of that. So I am very excited about that. This was all put together before I put it over here, but this is the Simple Stories, the chipboard stickers. It's the Simple Vintage Indigo Garden. And I want to say that we had an e-club kit that had the Simple Vintage Indigo Garden paper. And I believe that we did. That's why I picked that up. Then I grabbed, and I need to open this. Let me see if I can cut this real quick because I haven't even opened it, guys. That's how it's just been crazy. It's been crazy. All right, so maybe that'll open now. Oh, I'm tearing the cover, but at least it's the cover and not the paper. All right, so I picked up this paper pad, and this is the Park Lane Color Play, and it says it's 24 sheets. And so this is the 6x8, and these are just so cute. And I don't know if you guys can see it. See the foil? It's got the gold foiling on it. Love, 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 love this. Oh, how adorable. Can you guys get the full drift of it? Isn't that cute? Oh, this is beautiful. Okay, I got a couple things I think I want to do with this. Oh, I'm loving it. That had foil on it as well. Oh, so some of the pieces have got full accents. This says so bright, playful, daydreamer, nice, yay, colorful. Oh, look at that one. Look at all that foiling on it. Can you guys see it? Is it getting it? And so it looks like it'll be 12 different designs, and it's 2 of each design. Oh, that's gorgeous. It's got full on it. And then there's that one. Oh, and this has full on it. I wasn't even looking for full on the back side. So I paid $5.49 for that. I love it. And then I picked up, this is another Heidi Swap little thing. What is it? Well, let me just open it because I don't remember. All right, so it says album. That's all it says. Okay, so let's see. Oh yeah, I do remember it now. So it is a little like tag envelope album. So it's got these inserts and then it's got a tag down in each one. And let me tell you guys, the main reason I bought it was I wanted to see kind of how it was put together. And I think this is something that we can replicate. Yep, it definitely is. So I'm going to set this to the side because we will be working on one of these. I think we can do that. But that is very cute. I love that idea. That would be like a great little travel journal. And so here's another, is this a different thing? Yeah, this is different than this. Okay, so yeah, this is the mini folders. Let's just open it, guys. It's killing me. It's been sitting here forever. All right, so this is the mini folders. Oh, those are cute. Look. And it's got the little tab there. And we have a little tab there on the side. And then there's this one. So these are really cute. These will be cute to just stick down in a journal. So $3.29. And this was the one that I had a while ago. Why didn't I open it? I don't know. Let's just go ahead and open it and just let's get into it. May as well, right? All right. So we have, it says the smile file, and then it's got this little insert. That is so cute. Oh, I love that. Top secret. And it says shh. So these are really cute. These would be something cute to duplicate as well. How it ended. I love it. And then what really happened. I love those. Those are really cute. Okay. Let's get into this. So I picked this up for my my resin to do like some little keychains and stuff with. So I got that. All right, next up is the Simple Vintage Lakeside, and I also got the matching washi tape of this one. So this is the washi tape. I don't know if I can get it open, but we'll try. So I'll go ahead and show you the washi, and then I'll show you the papers. So it looks like it's got like mushrooms, maybe. If you guys can, I'm trying to keep the light from glaring on it, but everything I do is going to make it a shadow. But it's got like mushrooms, and then this looks like some kind of fish, and then this one's just a brown, like a wood green, and then a red stripe, and then this has got like the trees and maybe moose. So there's those. And I may not use this right away because to me this, I guess it could be summer because of it being like lakeside, but it just from looking at the washi, it seems like a winter type thing, but I don't know. We'll see. So it says, say yes to adventure. It is double-sided. Well, that just came out. Got butterflies on the back. There's a bunch of fish there. In the forest, you hear the wisdom of your soul. I like that. Nature is the greatest place to be. That's pretty. Frog. My mom hates frogs. Oh, there is a bug. So I'll have to do something with that for her. Find me where the wild things are. Oh, I love that. These are the mallard ducks. Oh, that is beautiful. And then there's the pines with the moose and some cut aparts. Oh, I love all these cut aparts. And then it starts over. So that is super cute. $4.39. That was a good deal. And then I got another thing of washi. I'm sure you guys remember the paper pad that I got from there, the Simple Vintage C's. So I actually have the washi now to match it. So this is like a bunch of the different coral. And then this is the anchors. And then like nautical stripes. This I may end up using some of in my scuba journal. I'm not sure because my scuba journal is blue and pink, but that's like the scuba. It just reminds me of my scuba flag. And then this is a stripe. And then this one looks like a bunch of different things. It's got the boat, the lighthouse, some coral, and that kind of stuff. So this is beautiful. This will definitely be getting used pretty soon. And that was $3.29. And y'all, I haven't been to Tuesday morning in a couple weeks or so now because I can't spend any money there right now. And when I go, I'm going to spend money, and I know that, so that's why I haven't went. All right, and then I grabbed this thing. It's the Crafter's Companion. It is the Vintage Accents. It was $5.99. So it's just a bunch of little pieces that you can put onto something that just kind of, like it says, it's accents. It just adds some accents to the different pieces. I love that. So I'm excited about using that. And then I did grab this thing of Erin Condren. It's a sticker book, and it is like for planners. So I just love the fact, number one, I loved all the colors, and I love the fact that I can have the book, because you guys know I love to plan. I do my budget journals and that kind of stuff. So I really love the fact of it being in the book, to do vacay, hello weekend, today appointment. And then it's got some different things here. I love the color scheme of all of these. So I am very excited about using this, and the fact that it's in this little booklet there. And I paid $7.49 for that. It says estimated value of $16.50. I don't know, but I wanted it. So, and then I did pick up this. It's Perfect Vacation. It's papers. It's 12 scrapbook papers. It is American Crafts. And let's just take a look at it really quick. All right, and so this is not cardstock, but it is thicker than paper. So probably maybe 100 GSM or so. But I love these. These are so pretty. And then, oh, I love that. And look at the back. I really like the back. Oh, that's pretty too. I don't remember. I guess that's cute. Then these look like the Polaroids, little frames. And then there's some cut aparts. Those are cute cut aparts. Oh my goodness, I love them. Okay, and then it looks like it starts over. So it looks like I get 2 of each one, which is good. Set this out of the way. And then I picked up this. It was $4.39 for 48 sheets. And you know, I have grandsons and that kind of stuff. So I figured I would use this, but it was just too cute to just leave there. And this is like a cardstock. This is kind of shiny. think you can see some of it shining, but it was so cute. I had to have it, especially for $4.29. Yeah, because there's some of the papers in here that I don't even have to use, like for baby or for my grandchildren. It's just really cute stuff. Like, look at that. And the colors are so vibrant in this pack of paper. Look at that. that the vibrancy of the colors is not picking up on the camera, but they are super bright, super vibrant. Oh, that's cute. So I grabbed this. I love it. Look at that one. That's just beautiful. Look at the polka dots. Oh my goodness. I love oh, that is so cute. Oh, and can you see how shiny that one is? And these are single-sided papers. Oh, that is adorable. Brand new in town. That's cute. So yeah, that is my Tuesday morning haul. It was a couple weeks ago, guys. I've just been, you know, crazy busy and just haven't got around to filming the haul. And I really wanted to get it done so I could show you guys some of the amazing stuff that I got. And actually, we may use some of this very soon. So thank you all so much for sticking around and watching. I appreciate all of you. You guys are truly the best group of people. This community is wonderful, and I love you guys so much. And I thank each and every one of you from the bottom of my heart. And I will see you all tomorrow. Bye, guys.